What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to another break video. We've got a one box break today. Leaf Vibrance. This is a multi-sport box. There's only two cards in here, two premium metal autograph cards, so kind of bigger risk reward, but should be a fun one. We've seen some cool stuff come out of this box, or this product, I should say. Leaf Vibrance 2022. All right, first up we have a Chris Mullin. Chris Mullin. This looks kind of like cracked ice from Panini, or the Atomic from Topps. Chris Mullin autograph. I don't want to show this next card, but is it numbered? This is numbered 1 of 6. So it is numbered here. 1 of 6 Chris Mullin. And then the next card is a Mason Mount. Leaf Variance, or Vibrance, the Global Game. Mason Mount. This is a 1 of 1. I'll have to get you soccer guys to tell me more about this fella, but Mason Mount 1 of 1. Pretty cool product. The sticker looks kind of jacked, but either way, 1 of 1. We've only 2 cards, so again, bigger risk reward here for you guys. But Chris Mullin and Mason Mount. That's it. That's it for this one. I imagine we'll probably do another one of those, but pretty quick and simple. Thanks, guys.